Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by getting the right tools on your phone, not fiddling with settings forever. Install a lightweight IDE and the language runtime so you can run code locally. Once done, clone your repository or create a new project folder. Make sure to add an SSH key or use HTTPS authentication for Git. You need a comfortable keyboard and a stable internet connection. These let you edit, run, and sync code without interruption. You now write and iterate. Open files, modify functions, and run them to see results. Use an external keyboard or split screen to speed edits and run the interpreter to catch errors quickly. Logs are your friend. Once a function works, add a small test or script to assert behavior, because tests save time later. Make frequent commits with clear messages and push when a feature is stable so you can switch devices without losing work. You finish by running full tests and linting to catch stylistic or runtime problems. This prevents CI failures. Then push your branch and open a pull request, explaining what you changed and how you tested it. If something breaks, inspect device logs and error messages, revert to the last known good commit if necessary, and try to reproduce the issue on a larger screen or desktop. This helps isolate mobile-specific problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.